Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news. Hi guys, yes, I go by the name Lollipop, and I've got to give you this gist. You know, I be your Aproko master. Guys, you need to see these pictures. Throwback, when we say throwback pictures, Thursday throwback pictures of some celebrities. Your favorite celebrities. Number one on the list is your one Africa Igbo man. Africa Igbo man actor. That's Peter Edochie. You need to see his throwback picture, man. The man a fine man. We don't see his products in you Edochie. You see, say his son gone fine. It will not be no bad when it is small. The man a fine man. Forget that. If you see him, we get some way. If you see their neck, it's just like my own. We long, like giraffe. You see some neck wey long like my own like this. Nígbà téèyàn ò ṣe model, ọkùnrin model. You see some they didn't even change at all, and you see some they are just transformed. Money good though, honestly. And go to the comment section below and see what Nigerians now, they will always find something to say. And go and see what they say about them there. You will laugh tired, I bet. You have to see this video and see their throwback pictures. Your favorite Nollywood àti àwọn tó ń ṣe eré ni o, àtàwọn tó ń ṣe fíìmù ni o, àtàwọn tó ń kọrin ni o, they are all there. You need to see them. It's very, very funny. You need to just go and feed your eyes, guys. Yes.